Hey guys, so yesterday my cabinet door completely fell off. The top hinge completely came undone. And I thought it was done for because it's been coming loose and I've just been screwing the screw back in there, but it keeps coming loose, coming loose, coming loose. So yesterday Eli came to the kitchen and I knew that it was loose, but I couldn't get the screw to stay in there anymore. It's completely stripped out. Like the hole was way too big now for the screw. He came to get something from under the sink and the door fell off in his hand. And he said, I said, I told you that this was happening. And he didn't. So then he said, where are the toothpicks? I'm going to show you this really cool thing because he didn't do the bottom one and it's been coming loose too. So I'm going to go ahead and do it and show you this really cool thing he did. So under here, he just screwed the bottom one in. So I'm just going to, hang on, let me see if I can get this to stay. I need something else to go in front of it. Hold on, sorry. I need this to stay up a little. Maybe that'll work. Well, thought I was ready for this. I'm not ready for this. Sorry. I don't think you can see it where I get it to stay. Okay, so maybe it won't fall, hopefully. How do you get it to zoom? Okay, anyway, so I'm going to unscrew the screw that he put back in there. I think you can see me. And show you exactly what he did. So I don't know if you can see, but the hole, just every time it comes loose, it gets a little bigger and a little bigger. So what he did was took a few toothpicks and he put them together. And stuck them inside the hole. Like, as far as he could get them to go in there. And then he broke it off. Like, just right even with the hole. I don't know if you can see that or not, because I can't see you. And then he screwed the screw back into the hole where the toothpicks are. Oh my gosh. He did this with no problem. And it looked so easy and I thought I could do it too. There it is, nice and tight again. The door is nice and tight, opens and closes, the hinge. It was the coolest thing to me, and I just wanted to share that with everyone. So, there you have it. Hope you have a great day.